Today we are doing exercise 11.1. Question number 1. The length and the breadth of the rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area first and then find the cost of the land if 1 meter square of land cost rupees 10,000. So here you can see length is given, breadth is given, then we will find area, and then after finding area we will find the cost of the land by multiplying by its cost. We are doing exercise 11.1, question number 1. It is given that the length and breadth of the rectangular piece of land is 500 meter and 300 meter. So we will write length equal 500 meter and breadth equal 300 meter. Now we are required to find out the area. So area formula of rectangle is area is L into B, length multiply breadth. So 500 multiply 300. So answer is 15. 5 3s are 15 and 4 zeros. This is in meter square. Now the cost of the land is 1 meter square of the land cost 10,000. So we will find the cost of the land. It is given 1 meter square is 10,000. So 1,50,000 will be multiplied to 10,000 to find the total cost. Now total zeros, 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now put commas 1, 2, 3. So here you can see this is 150 crores. This is question number 2 of exercise 11.1. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. So by the perimeter we will find the side, and by the side we will find the area of the square. Question number 2. It is given area of a square park. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320. So first of all we will write perimeter of a square is equal to, it is given it is 320 meter. Now after perimeter is given, now we are required to find area. So we know that perimeter formula is 4 into side, and 4 into side is equal to 320 meter. Then we will find the side. Side is equal to 320 upon 4. Now we will reduce this by 4, then it is 80. Now side is equal to 80 meter. Now we are required to find the area of the park. So formula of area of a square park is side multiply side. We will apply here side multiply side formula. So 80 multiply by 80, and then answer is 80 multiply 80, 6400 meter square. Now this is question number 3. Find breadth of the rectangular plot of the land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. So area is given, length is given, so we will find the breadth, and after finding breadth we will find its perimeter by applying formula 2 multiply length plus breadth. Now this is question number 3 of exercise 11.1. Find the breadth of the rectangular plot if its area is 440 meter square, length is 22 meter. So first of all we will write area of plot. Now here you can see this plot is rectangular, means the shape of the plot is a rectangle. So formula of rectangle, area of rectangle is length multiply breadth, which is equal to 440. Now you can see in the question length is given 22 meter, so we will write 22 multiply b is equal to 440. Then this 22 is in multiply, so it will go in divide. So 440 upon 22. Now we will reduce this 22 2s are 44. So breadth is equal to here 20 meter. Now after finding breadth, it is given find the perimeter. So formula of perimeter is P is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. So here you can see length is given, length is 22 and breadth is 20. So 22 plus 20, then it will be 42, and 42 2s are it is 84 meter. This is question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth, and then we will find area of the rectangular sheet. This is question number 4. It is given perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Length is 35 centimeter. Find its breadth. So here you can see perimeter is given. So we will write perimeter of sheet. This is 100 centimeter. Formula of perimeter is 2 multiply length plus breadth, which is equal to 100. Now here you can see length is given, so we will put 35 in place of length because length is 35 centimeter. It is equal to 100. Then you can see this 2 is in multiply, it will go in divide. So we will write this 2 can cut 100. It is 50 because it is in divide, so it will be 50. Then breadth is equal to 35 is in plus, so it will be going minus. So breadth is equal to 15 centimeter. Now after finding breadth, it is written find area also. So formula of area is equal to length multiply breadth. This is the area of rectangle. Length is 35 and breadth is 15. So 35 multiply 15. 15 5s are 75, 7 carry, and 15 3s are 45. Then it is 525 centimeter or square. Centimeter square is the unit of area, so here we will write centimeter square.